Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you on how to enable 1024x768 resolution on Windows Vista. Now open Regedit. Click on yes, and then go to HQ local machines, and then system control, current control set, and go to control, and then go find class. As you can see, go find 4D36, this one, 4D36E968. Now click on 000. Now change the downscaling supported value into 1. Now after you change it, you must restart your PC and go to screen resolution, and there you will see 1024x768 resolution and or more higher. But I am also warning you that it is too wide. Stay tuned on Windows 7 Best Laptop.